Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're checking out this brand new listing for a client hangout, and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 391 Hound Drive, just listed for $469,900. Kind of a little bit of a shortcut street, but you know, it's all relative depending on where you live, I guess. So you have gated access over here, tile roof, 4-car garage instead of a 3-car garage, which is pretty cool. So you can see the property line between the water boxes here, and then you have your gated side RV boat type parking. So the gated side parking is well over 10 feet, so you can get an RV back there, no problem. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2000. 1,355 square feet, sits on a 9,932 square foot lot. They did some remodeling to it, so it has the plank tile floors or vinyl laminate floors. So this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. So this house is actually available with some of the furnishings outside of escrow if that's something that somebody wanted to do. They redid the counters, nice little quartz or granite tops and tile backsplash. So it's a cool little eat at island. You have your little pantry where the fridge goes. So you also have a little lake shot out the kitchen window. All right, let's go check out the master side. So this is your master. So the whole house has been painted inside and out. So you have your master bath, solid surface counters. There is only one sink, but there is a little vanity. You have your double glass door shower and a little walk-in closet. So you have guest bedroom number 1 at the back of the house, has double doors to make a cool little office or something. Kind of your standard setup, double glass slider closet doors. And then you have a little hall with your guest bath, solid surface counters in here, double glass door shower. And then you have guest bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Same kind of setup as the other one. All right, so back off the entry, you have your garage door access and a little indoor laundry area. All right, so you actually have a 4-car garage with a 22-foot bay and a 30-foot drive-through bay, all insulated 8-foot doors. Your soft water loop and water heater, and also line for RO if you wanted to put it out here. All right, so we're heading out the kitchen slider to the backyard. It's a little breezy, so I apologize if it picks it up on the mic. Nice covered patio. some artificial turf that they put in. Here's your side RV boat parking. You have a pretty good shot of the lake from the backyard. Cool little fire pit area. And you have your drive-through rear bay back here as well. Has plenty of spot, and has a concrete landing. You can pretty much see the whole island from here, so you would be able to see fireworks off of Thompson Bay. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Hound. Again, this one was just listed for $469,900. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, as usual, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.